for the 7,000, it is called phase 3. You have still existing phase 1 and phase 2 with a total capacity of 1,500 cubic meter. So phase 1, it is 500 cubic meter, phase 2, 1,000 cubic meter. So in this area, we have 3 sets of the pumps. One set for the phase 1, we have to return back 500. It will be also 2 pumps, duty and standby. And phase 2 also, same situation. You have a capacity of 1,000 cubic meters. So you have 2 pumps, duty, standby. And then we have for phase 3, 3 pumps, 2 duty, 1 standby. Okay, so this tanks, it will only balancing tank organization and for the flow, because sudden flow you cannot, this is biological treatment, you cannot directly bump the biological to the biological reactor because it will be filled. Okay, so you have to collect one time, because in the morning and the evening you have much flow, but during the day the flow is less. So this tanks, it will absorb this big flow and it slowly organize the discharge to the biological reactors. So this is the purpose of that equalization tank. Is it clear for everyone? Okay.
And one thing, where the pump is placed, if you put one tank out of surface, it can take the flow.
Common header. Then common header will be there.
Yeah, so yeah, this is.
Yeah, that one we will reflect it down with the B and ID. We can see the B and ID. Engineer Van, he wants everything in advance. Just wait to the B and ID. Okay, now. Okay. Our STP, it is based on the advanced membrane bioreactor system. It is MBR. It's not like conventional type. Okay.